Make a mandala. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to make your own personal mandala. You do not need to be an artist to make one. Remember, it represents you, not anyone else. Step 1. Get the supplies you will need to make a mandala. The medium you will use is either white poster board or large white plain paper. For the colors of your mandala, you can use crayons, colored markers, pens, watercolors, oil paints, or any other type of materials to add color. If you wish, you can simply make it with just black ink. Using your compass, make a large circle on your poster board or paper. After making the circle, cut it out. Step 2. Imagine your mandala. You can use designs on your mandala such as triangles, hearts, and dots. Images from your dreams or fantasies can also be used. Feel free to use publication materials like magazines. You can also get images or photos from your own day-to-day life. Religious symbols have also been used, like the cross or Wicca circle. Use any other images you wish, as long as they have meaning to you. Step 3. Allow your creative juices to flow. Use your feelings and intuition. Become free-spirited, since this mandala represents you. Do not worry about your art skill. This is your own personal mandala, not anyone else's. Step 4. Fill your circle with designs, origin shapes. Remember, they come from your own mind's eye. These designs or shapes can be very simple or complicated. They do not even have to be recognizable to anyone but you. Step 5. Divide your circle into parts. If you want, you can divide it in half or fours. Any amount you wish is fine to do. Step 6. Add color to different sections of the mandala. If you choose to divide your circle into parts, you can add different colors to those sections. You can color each section if you wish with different or the same colors. When done applying color, you can also write words on each different section. The words can be simple, like love, peace, and happiness. Any one that comes to your mind will work. You can even write in sayings or quotes if you desire. This will help the mandala hold personal meaning to you. Now you are ready to display your mandala. You can display it any place you wish for people to see. You can also privately display it in a place like your bedroom.